body kit, man, the new aero, the cars look beautiful. I think the fans are going to be excited. It's when you follow someone, the cars look so small compared to before. It's interesting, but it's a different beast. You know, it's whether you're on road course stream or whether you're on an oval, it's quite a different beast to drive. Interesting. It's fun because you really have to think about it with your engineer. And I think it's going to put a lot more emphasis on driver-engineer combos. So far so good. The Penske cars feel good. It's just fun to be out here again. Yeah, it's good to be back, and you know, I miss competition. I think the biggest thing is obviously I love driving race cars, but I also love competition. So I'm glad that it's going to be competition time soon again. Right now I'm doing homework. We're working on the car, trying to understand how to fix issues. If we have some traction issues, if we have understeer in the middle of the corner, we're trying to figure out what does what. And that's what's interesting. I love this time, but yeah, can't wait to stampede.